Today we are going to take a detailed look at exactly how to connect to the Fold API. To begin the process, if you simply click on the button labeled Get, you will be redirected to the official Fold page. Or alternatively, you can easily search for Fold API using the Google search engine. After searching for all AI API like this, you will directly enter Fold.ai. I've already signed up, but if you haven't signed up yet, then you must sign up. So what do you need to sign up? Let me check. Please wait a moment. Or let's just go directly to the private tab at 1 o'clock and see. So after coming to Fold.ai, you will click on Login. After clicking on Login, you will see the Sign Up option. Click on Sign Up. Then after clicking on Sign Up, you can choose to continue with Google, meaning you can log in directly using your Gmail or with your Apple ID, or you can log in using a username and password. So after signing up with a password, when you log in, it will appear like this. Actually, you can search for the page directly on Google, or from the settings, you can click on API key to come here. After coming here, click on Add API key and give it any name you like. When you click Create, after giving it a name, it will be done. And the key that is generated, you can use it directly. Come directly here and first test it. If the test is okay, then click Save. As soon as you click Save, you will automatically see the image models for the results. In our second step, in the IMS to video second step, the model for the result will appear. The flux model for the result. I had already added the flux for the result, which is why only this one has appeared. If I had added more models to this MS model, those would have appeared as well. But since the price of the image for this flux is low, that's why I only added this one and didn't add all of them. So in the next video, we will see how to connect them. Thank you.